Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off vibration on Duolingo, or basically haptic feedback. All right, just go ahead and open up your Duolingo app. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to your profile, tap on it. Now, once you're on your profile, as you can see, just go ahead and tap the cogwheel right here at the top right, or the gear icon. Just tap on it. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on preferences. This is basically preferences. All right, just go ahead and tap on it. Now, as you can see, haptic feedback is available. Now, if you want to turn it off, just go ahead and click or tap on the slider right here to turn it off. All right, you can go ahead and turn sound effects off as well. Also animations, motivations, ear exercises, friends missions, and friends streaks. All right, if you just want to, of course. Now, if you want to turn it back on again, just tap or click on the slider to turn it back on. Once done, just hit on done button right here. And you're good to go. And that's basically how you turn off haptic feedback or vibrations from the app itself. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.